What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have some runs for you guys, and I know it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time since the car has, ran, and I'm here to say that it's finally running good. And I didn't make a video on the tuning process with Phil because I feel like it was kind of getting repetitive, and I know you guys were kind of getting annoyed with it, hence why the views were all the way down. So I just skipped that part, and then we're gonna jump right into the action. I actually know this guy. I called him out and I was like, hey man, let's just go get a couple runs in. I want to see what the car does. I know this car has like 450 horsepower. That's what this Trans Am dynoed at. So it was kind of out of my league, and it's pretty gutted. My car is on minor weight reduction, but I was like, you know what, we might as well try it. The car put down 280 to the tire NA a long time ago when someone else was tuning it, and then once we pulled out all the timing for the nitrous on a 100 shot, it made like 270. So if my math is correct, the 270 horsepower plus the 150 shot, it should be close to 430 to the tire on nitrous. So I'm thinking that it's making 430, 440 to the tire, and my car has minor weight reduction, like I said. So I was pretty surprised at this. I know you guys will too, and this is just a crisp of what's to come, man. It's freaking awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and watch the little 2-valve put in some work.
We say bye-bye.
Holy guys, that was freaking crazy. After those runs were done, I was ecstatic. I was shooken up with adrenaline. It's been so long since I ran the car, so long since I raced the car. It's been like almost like a year and a half. So yeah, man, those runs were freaking awesome. And the last run, as you guys can tell, I don't want to make excuses, but the bottle pressure was like stupid low. It was like 920, and you saw the pressure drop as soon as I hit it. And I started off in a low RPM. He wanted a 30, and I was like, I downshifted, checked it out, and I was like all the way low in the RPM range. When I was in first gear, it was like 5 grand, which I was only gonna hit it and then shift. So I was screwed either way. But he gave me the rolls I wanted. I gave him a roll. If it was my choice, I would just do dig only, because once it comes to a dig, there's like no room for error, and there's no room for making excuses and stuff like that. So there's just no prep out there, and there's like no way I'm gonna hook from a dig. So we just did our rolls, got it done. There's no bad talking, no one, there's no bad vibes and stuff like that. I gave him his respect, and I appreciate it, bro. If you're watching this, it's all good. I appreciate it. I know there's people stirring it up here in my town. These guys like to talk like girls, but that's it, man. But I was really impressed with the car. I just want to give a huge shout out, to my tuner, Phil. Thank you so much, man. Like, the car is doing the best that it has within the whole time I've owned the car. Honestly, it's the fastest it's ever been. I'm really happy with it right now, and it's kind of maxed out where it is. It's kind of maxed effort, and if I do put any more power in the car, we're probably gonna lose the motor. But yeah, I want to take it to the track soon and see what it does, see what it traps with the new power that it has now. I want to send a big shout out to Nitrous Express. I run all their products on my car, man. I definitely recommend it if you guys want to wake up your 2-valve a little bit. I want to send a huge shout out to Andrew Hallen. He's the one that, you know, built the transmission for me. That transmission is smooth as hell, man. And I definitely recommend it if you guys need a built transmission. This is a built TR3650, and it is running damn good, man. I'm really excited with it. I'm really excited to, you know, do some digs with it also. And I want to send another shout out to Straight Line Solutions, Cody. He's the one that sent me out the McLeod clutch. I paid for it, but he hooked me up with it, gave me a good deal on it, and I definitely recommend you guys hitting him up for all your aftermarket parts. Fast shipping, and he will beat any price on the market. It's Straight Line Solutions, Cody Queensberry on Facebook, look him up. But yeah, man, clutch is working awesome, transmission is working awesome, the nitrous is working freaking awesome, tuning is on point, and the little 2 valve is running out of people's lives, and they're not expecting it, guys. So next video, I did call out a 5.0. It's an S197, so it's not like a Gen 3 or a Gen 2 or anything like that. It's on the lower end. But we called out a Coyote, and we're gonna see what the little 2 valve does against a Coyote. I'm super stoked for that, and I can't wait for that. So if you guys are ready for that, hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, and if you guys enjoyed it, drop a comment down below. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. Peace, man.